Big breaking news that's coming in. The Narcotics Control Bureau has raided famous comedian Bharti Singh's residence in Mumbai's Andheri. Sources have told us that a small amount of marijuana has been seized. She as well as her husband have now been summoned by narco sleuths, so they're expected to reach the NCB office shortly in response to those summons. But after the raids, the information we're picking up is that there was some small amount of drugs of marijuana that's been seized from Bharti Singh's residence. She is the latest in a list of popular Bollywood celebrities who have been under the radar in the Bollywood drug case. Mustafa is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, this will be trouble, no doubt, for comedian Bharti Singh.
Yes, of course, because the continuous raids on Bollywood celebrities by the NCB has continued. We are just outside the high-rise where Bharti Singh resides. It was at 7 a.m. this morning where the raid took place. We are getting to know that some narcotic substances were recovered, after which both Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh have been summoned. In fact, they have reached Worli as of now. They are on their way to the Narcotics Control Bureau. It's obvious that once narcotic substances are recovered, they can be arrested in this case. So we'll have to see, wait and watch what the investigations happen. What we know is that there has been a huge activity by NCB in the western suburbs, especially the Goregaon, Lokhandwala, Warsaw area, which is known to be a hub of Bollywood celebrities, of TV serial celebrities, and there is a huge drug nexus operating from these areas, and hence drug peddlers are being picked up. They are then questioned as to who they supply the narcotics to, and then those celebrities on whom there is a confirmed tip-off that the narcotics had been supplied, the NCB carries out search, recovers the drugs, and then carries out further investigations. Back to you, Akshata.
Okay, Mustafa, thank you for that update. Bharti is expected to also join the investigation shortly after the NCB issued formal summons to her and her husband.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.